Hello everyone. The basic thing which I want to share to you all today that we are right now considering about oils. So in comparison to medicines, obviously oils are better. I'm not telling that medicines are not right or wrong. It's wrong because in critical cases we have to give medicines, but to cure, as per I told you, that there's a very big difference between treatment and cure. So, what cure and which is permanent, they have to use something which is natural, which has to be extracted by seeds, leaf, and which can relieve the pain permanently. And in the critical cases only, we can use the medicines. Obviously, for having the heart pain or body pain, at time being, we can give isobic dinitrate or diclofenac or aceclofenac. But to have a pure relief, we have to give the oils which are essential. Normal oils and essential oils have a little bit difference. Essential oils have been extracted by only the nature, but oils are different, and we are providing you essential oils. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much. This is Neeraj Nikhil signing out.